In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to set up the student feedback survey in your Blackboard course. We'll explore both Blackboard Original and Blackboard Ultra. To begin, you'll navigate to the Prepopulated Student Feedback Survey in Blackboard Original. This will probably be located somewhere above Course Management in your course. You'll notice that by default this is hidden from students. You'll need to go to the chevron and navigate down to where it says Show Link so that students will be able to view this link and select it. We'll go ahead next and select the Student Feedback Survey. To actually launch the survey, you'll navigate over to the survey itself. Where it says Student Feedback Survey, select the chevron next to this. And we have to actually make this survey available by selecting Make Available. This will actually deploy and make the survey active. You'll notice that when you start the survey, there will be a set of instructions that provide a description and how to complete the survey. Students will begin the survey and they'll be asked 3 questions that they can respond to using these 3 text boxes. The first question is what is going well for you in this course so far. The second one is what has been the most challenging part of this course. And the third question relates to what students would like to see done differently in the course. Students will submit by selecting Save and Submit. Upon completion, you'll be able to go to the Grade Center. Inside the Grade Center area, select Full Grade Center. When you select the Full Grade Center, you'll be able to view the results of this survey. We'll go ahead and select Full Grade Center, and I'll navigate through my gradebook and notice that we'll now be able to see the student feedback survey. We can also view useful information such as download the survey results independently or view any of the quick column information. By default, the survey is set to 0 points, so this is not a graded survey, but it will be accessed and you will review the results either from downloading them or from viewing them in the Grade Center. That's how we get started with Student Feedback Survey in a Blackboard Original course. To do a Blackboard Ultra course, I'm going to navigate into an Ultra course. And this may not apply for everyone. In the Blackboard Ultra course, you'll navigate all the way to the bottom of your course. And again, this should be populated for you in advance. By default, this will not be visible to students. It will actually start as a hidden from students link. So what we need to do is begin by making this visible to students. Then students will select on the Student Feedback Survey. Inside the survey itself, you'll notice that this was set up a little bit differently, and it's done using test settings. By selecting the gear icon in the settings, you can change the due date. You'll notice that the grade category here will automatically default to tests in this case. That's normal, but notice that this is a 0-point test, and this will be set up by default for you. And you can also set up anonymous grading should you choose. Then we'll go ahead and we will save that. When students take the exam or when they're done with the exam, they'll be able to then go to, you'll be able to go to the submissions. And in the submissions is where you'll be able to review the feedback that the students have submitted. I hope that you found this tutorial useful. For more information, please visit us at the Faculty Center for the Advancement of Teaching and Learning.